Dear students, good morning, namaste. It is coaching classes for maths and for the students PU2, and we are in the chapter straight lines, that is synopsis, the last one. Already in the part 4 I discussed and draw this diagram. It is finished by technical problem. There is a problem is there. It is not possible to give 1 hour or 45 minutes class. It is not possible. Only 25 minutes or one time. It is only 20 minutes. Try to understand it. Whatever it may be, I will give the clear picture and clear voice is there. That is why I am not taking in the class colleges. In my room I am taking. With a less facility I am giving this type of class. Please try to understand it. Okay. Already the synopsis 13 and 14 are already in the part 4 I gave. Now it is part 5. That is, I think it is not clear. That voice is cutted or somewhere. So again I am taking this one. 13 and 14 are seen. In these two concepts, here the vertices of a quadrilateral is given. Here the sides equation of quadrilateral is given. Here x is capital X is just we are assumed let capital X is the slope of AB, slope of AD, and capital Y is the slope of AC and the slope of BD. If both are equal to -1, separate x is equal to -1, y is equal to -1, it is a square. X is equal to -1, y is not equal to -1 means a rectangle. X is equal to not equal to -1, but y is equal to -1 is a rhombus. After that one it is clear, I think. Both are not equal to -1, then it is a parallelogram. That concept is no, here the diagrams are there. But here, this is important. You see, here the sides of equations are given. You see, opposite sides are 1 and 3 and 2 and 4. Here also the same concept is there. Capital X is the slope of AB and the slope of AD, the adjacent sides. That is minus A by B minus L by M. That is LA by MP. Okay. And Y. Here Y is the product of slopes of diagonals. But here not possible. So I am taking here. You see. It is not needed. These diagonals are needed. But here the needed is only the distance between the parallel sides. 1 and 3 and 2 and 4. Distance between 1 and 3 minus is there. First and minus this one. The difference of distances of 1 and 3 and 2 and 4. That is capital Y. Now we check it. X is equal to -1. So it is a perpendicular. Here it is a perpendicular. The square AB and AD. AB and AD are perpendicular. That is the meaning. If the difference, this difference and its difference is the same, then the distance, this distance and this distance is the same, then the difference is 0. Do you understand? Suppose the distance between 1 and 3 is 5 units, here also 2 and 4 is 5 units. 5 minus 5 will get 0. So it's a square because all sides equal, okay la? And opposite sides are at same distance. Then it is a square. Yeah, okay. Similarly, by using that one, adjacent sides perpendicular, it is perpendicular, whereas the difference of distances are not same. That is the meaning. Y is not equal to 0 means not equal to 0 means it may be any other number. It is 7, it is only 5. We get 7 minus 5 means 2 only, not 0. It is a rectangle. Rhombus. This distance is equal, but adjacent sides are not at vertical, not perpendicular. So x is not equal to -1, y is equal to 2. It's a rhombus. Rhombus means you see like this. Is the distances is same. So y is equal to 0. But this one, it is not perpendicular. That is the meaning. x not equal to minus 1 and y not equal to 0 is a parallelogram. Okay, like that we can take this concept as a tornado. Okay, just pass. Okay, then synopsis is over. Now we are going to solve the objective bits. It is really, this is very, very important. So many problems are given. Tomorrow or today, I will send a set of papers, that is printed papers. I send to the channel, and you see that one. The same problems I want to solve on the board. Okay, now this bunch of papers is not distributed to you in the classroom. That is why I will post it in the WhatsApp itself. Okay, you see that. Here, the number one question. You see, the equation of line joining the origin and POI means point of intersection of lines. The first question. Options are not mentioned. You see in our that bunch of papers you see in a letter. But here, with the concept of the place is not there for me on the board, so without the options, I will solve the questions only. You need only the solution, that's all. You see, origin y is 0, comma 0. Okay. And the lines are y minus x plus 7 is equal to 0. Y plus 2x minus 2 is equal to. These are two lines. We solve it because it is minus it is plus. Y cancels. Minus 2x minus x minus 3x. This is 9 plus 2, 9 is equal to 0. That implies 3x is equal to 9. We get x is equal to 3. Okay, na? If x is equal to 3, you substitute in it only. Y minus, in this one, y minus 3 is equal to minus 7. Is correct? So that implies y is equal to minus 4. So y is equal to minus 4 is okay. Okay, na? Y, this x is equal to 3, na? It is minus 7. Send to that side, minus 7. Minus 7 plus 3 is minus 1. So the point is, here we assume it is 3 comma minus 4 is a point. And y is a origin. Okay, na? Line joining origin and this one. So it is, you see, it is x minus 0 by 0 minus 3. Y minus 0 by 0 minus of minus 4. That implies x by minus 3, y by 4 only. Okay, minus plus 4. So 4x plus 3y is equal to 0 is the required answer. Okay, then right. Another method is also there. I will tell it because it is all say. I will tell it. Another method. This is the answer. Okay. See then. The point of intersection of this one. There are two lines. One and it is 2. Okay, na? That means, suppose a line, this is 1 and it is 2. It is a point of intersection of line. Side is the origin. Okay, na? Any line that passes through the point of intersection of these two lines means directly we say it is y minus x plus 7 plus lambda of y plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, na? Not only the line and circles or two circles, line with parabola, a line with ellipse, whatever it may be. Two curves are intersecting. The another line is passing through, another curve is passing through. First curve plus lambda of second curve. Here curve means lines. It is passing through origin. Through origin. That is a given. So in order to find the lambda value, y is 0, x is 0, plus 7 plus lambda of this is 0 and it is 0, minus 2 is equal to 0 na. So it is minus 2 lambda plus 7 is equal to 0 na. Okay na? So lambda is equal to 7 by 2. So we get a lambda value. The lambda is not asked. Okay na? Now we substitute the lambda value in this equation. That is, in order to get that line is the y minus x plus 7 plus 7 by 2 of y plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. It is seen, it is 2y plus 7y. It's 9y directly. LCM 2y plus 7y. It is minus 2x plus 14x. Here 14x is there. 14x is there. Okay na? It is minus 2x plus 14. You see that? Minus 2x, don't confuse. Minus 2x plus 14. Plus 14 minus 2 is plus 12x. It's over. Plus 7 into 2, 14 minus 14. That is 0. So here you take the 3x common. It is 3y plus 4x is equal to 0. Same, both are same. You see, 4x plus 3y here also 4x plus 3y. Either use this method or that method. That is the raw method. It is a sharp method. Both attractive. Okay, now that is the thing. Next, observe me. Is it clear? Now this problem is over. Okay. Now the third one, second one. You see the distance of the point minus 2, 3 to the line. This is very simple. It is a directly question. A line is there, it is x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0 is the line equation. And a point is minus 2, 3. This is x1, y1. Okay na? And we need to find the distance, perpendicular distance. Okay na? Perpendicular is length of perpendicular. A formula is there. Modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Here a is 1 coefficient of x. 1 of x is minus 2. And this b is minus 1. Y is 3. And minus 5 as it is by root of this 1 square plus minus 1 square. B square is minus 1. It is minus 2 minus 3. This is minus 5 by the root 2. That is 10. Minus 10 will come. That is nothing but plus 10 by root 2 is there. Okay, 10 into root 2 by root 2 into root 2. That is 10 root 2 by 2 na. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 5s. So it is a 5 root. The direct formula is there. Very simple. Okay, it is a concept problem. Okay, is it okay? Clear. Now we'll go to third problem. That is, let's see, a line makes 135 degrees with x-axis and cuts y-axis at a distance 5 units from origin. This problem is also there in our textbook. You see, a line that makes an angle 45 degrees. Here theta is equal to 135. Slope m is equal to tan theta na. That is tan 135. That is tan of 180 minus 45. Tan of 180 minus theta minus tan 45. It is a minus 1. Okay, that is. Line is making angle means you find the slope of line. And that line cuts y-axis minus 5 units from origin. Minus 5 units from origin. That means the line is like this. Okay, like this. This is minus 5. So it is passing through 0, comma, minus 5. It is a point here. The given line is passing through a point 0, comma, a is equal to 0, comma, minus 5. This is x1 to y1. Slope is there and point is there. So equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Y minus of minus 5 is equal to m is minus 1 x minus 0 x1. So minus x is y plus 5. So x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. So okay, minus x and to this side. Okay, x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. That is the required equation. Is it clear? Yeah. Next, fourth one. Fourth one is similar. Okay, observe fourth one. We are given 3 lines. A concept is suppose ax, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 is a line, one line, first line. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is 0 is second line. a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal to 0 is a third line. All the lines are passing through 1, 2 and 3. A common point is there. Okay, more than 2. That is 3 or more than 3 lines passing through a common point, one point. Then they are said to be called as a concurrent. They are called as a concurrent. Okay, concurrent lines. They are called as concurrent. Like this here, 3 lines are given, they are concurrent. We have to find the value of b. B is there in the third line. But a condition is there. Here, the coefficients must be in like this. If you take this determinant is 0. The determinant of the coefficients of the 3 lines is 0. So like this here is here you see that it is 4, 3, minus 1. 4, 3, minus 1. Here x minus y plus 5. 1 minus 1, 5. Don't confuse. X minus y plus 5. And it is b minus 5. bx plus 5. bx plus 5y. Okay, da? bx, that is bx. You see in our bench of papers. And minus 3, na? Minus 3 is there. Okay. Is equal to 0. Through that one we can find it is 4 of 3 minus 25. Right? Minus 1 and minus 3, 3 only. Minus 25. Minus 3 of this column row cancels. It is minus 3 minus 5b. And minus 1 of 5 plus b is equal to 0. It is, you say, minus 22 na, minus 22 to minus 88. It is plus 9 plus 15b minus 5 minus b is equal to 0. That is 14b na. 14b na, how much? It is plus 4. That is 82, I think. Okay, na? 82 na, you see that? Like this. B is equal to, that is 41 by, I think it is 7. I think. 2 41s, 2 7s. Any arithmetic is there, you see there. You find out it there. Is it clear? First of all, you see there. 4, 3 minus 1, it is 1 minus 1, 5. It is b 5 minus 3. Yes, okay. 4 of 3 minus 25 is 22, 2 88, and minus 3 of this is minus 3 minus 5b. It is plus 9 plus 15b. minus 1 of 5 plus b, yes, okay, minus 5 minus b, 14b, and this is 4, here is wrong, it is wrong, this 4 means we get that one, that is 22, I think, okay then, the method is important. Here the concept is, if the 3 lines are concurrent, this is the concept, it is important, okay now. By using that one, we can find the value of b. Okay, is it clear? Yeah. Here on the fifth question is also related with the concurrent lines. We are given 3 lines, Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0. It is Mx, next one, Mx plus Ny plus L is equal to 0, cyclic order. And Nx plus Ly plus M is equal to 0, that is given. Okay, are concurrent. Are concurrent means LMN, MNL, NLM. The condition I am using is 0. That implies L of Mn minus L square minus M of M square minus NL plus N of ML minus N square is equal to 0. It is Lmn minus L cube. It is M cube minus plus MLn plus LMN minus N cube is equal to 0. That implies L cube plus N cube plus N cube is equal to 3Ln. Okay, na? Like this. You remember it. L cube minus M cube minus N cube goes to that side, it is. And here it is a plus is there. Lmn again Lmn again Lmn. Then 3Lmn. This one. Or it may be written as L cube plus M cube plus N cube minus 3Lm N also. Like this also. Or otherwise, a condition is there. L minus M whole cube, M minus N, like this is there, but I think this is this one or this one, okay na? It is enough, okay na? Yeah. So the first 5 problems is over. Now, you see this is also a problem in our textbook. Concept is there. If P is the length of perpendicular from origin to the line joining, just do it. You see, P is the length of perpendicular from origin to the line whose intercepts are on the axis A and B. First, intercepts are A and B. Okay, na? So x by A plus y by B is equal to 1 is the line equation. The line equation is not directly given. Okay, na? Intercepts are intercept form. That is bx plus ay by ab is equal to 1, or otherwise bx plus ay is equal to ab or minus ab is equal to 0. Okay, na? Now P is equal to, the P is the length of origin from the from origin to this above line. That is the given. Okay, na? So it is minus of minus AB, formula is there. Minus C by root of A square plus B square. It is B square plus A square. So it is AB by root of A square plus B square. Is this clear now? C by minus C by root of A square plus B square, formula is there. Now what is the P square? It is a square b square by without root a square plus b square. You see here, I am taking the squares on both sides. 1 by p square is equal to, it is a square plus b square by a square b square. That is nothing but a square by a square b square. It is b square by a square b square. It cancels. So we can get, I will write here. So here it is 1 by b square plus 1 by a square is equal to 1 by p square. It is asked, or otherwise in some order we will write in the here. 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1 by p square. That is given there. Then options are given. Okay, like that word. And 7 and 8, you will try to solve it. Okay, yeah. Thank you.